Welcome to another video lecture of calculus. Inside calculus, this is the example of function. So we need to find fog3 f circle g3. Okay, so here given things are fx equal to 3x minus 2, gx equal to x squared plus 1. So here we already know fo fog x, so we need to write f circle gx. The same thing fog 3, so we need to write f circle g3. So we need to calculate the value of g3 first. Okay, so here gx equal to x square plus 1. Now calculating g3 value, so 3 square plus 1, it come g3 value come 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10. Now hereafter, so if I put to here 10, so here g3 value inside g3 value that come 10, so here we can write in place of g3 10. So now we need to calculate f10 value. So here fx value is now 3x minus 10. So if I calculate f10, so 3 into 10 minus 2, 3 into 10 30, 30 minus 2, that come 28. So f10 value is now 28 is the answer. So this is the way we can find out the value of fog 3. Okay, so only point you need to remember, so if we can break fog 3 f circle gx. Okay, or if anyone asks question for golf, so we can write g circle f x. So I hope guys you understand this example. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.